we'll have full cases on the screen of this. We're a full case channel. We'll have full cases. Take your full cases. Obsidian Hobby is almost next no matter what. Obsidian Hobbies almost next no matter what. Take it. Take. Guess the gold for 20. I see a gold. What's up, Denise? We have 2 golds. Start with a gold and end with a gold. Good luck. What's up, Pepperoni? That was insane. What a run. Bunch of beat the sorts. Shaden Disco for the Blaze Kids. Ivy, Jabari. Just faking this out. It is. Light blue, Laurie. Nemhard, rookie silver. White. Nice. Nice piece for Mango. White of Benedict Mathurin. Gold. Ivy. It's a nice piece for 718. It's Josh Giddey gold. 4 of 10. Just missed the jersey. Anyone guess Giddey? Guess the next gold for 20. There's another gold at minimum. Nice for the Rockets. Light blue of Jabari. Nice piece. White of Booker for the Suns. Varela. Jalen Green silver. Mathurin. Simons. Nice. Red of Jovic for the Heat. There's a PC piece. Tatum silver. It's halfway point. The stuff by the 4 is incredible. The stuff by the full is incredible. Take your full cases of this. Take your full cases. It's halfway point. Jake LaRavia, white. Red. Musa. Brunson silver. LaMelo. Disco. Light blue of Sexton. Caleb Houston. Or Ketchup Packets Houston. There's people that would throw ketchup packets at him. If they were at the Summer League and they saw him. Mustard packets, too. We thought I was out of control. Jabari. Red of Houston. Courtside for the Magic. Everything's out of control right now. Nice. Blue of Benedict Mathurin. 25 of 25. Nice piece. Gold. It's for the Bulls. Pop. Io. Light blue. Edwards. And then Anthony Davis. Solid. Couple golds. Couple nice colors. Seen stuff is really nice. Stuff was there, not the greatest players. You know, I like Giddy, it's just that it's the second year.